Alright, what's going on? Where's that arm? Where's that arm, baby? Are you hiding it from us? It's your left. Oh, there it is. There it is. Mira trying to steal the show. Mira. Stretching in front of baby. You guys are starting to pay a whole lot more attention to each other. Mira tried to play the other day with Robert. Oh, what? Oh. Puppy! That puppy is pretty silly. Yeah, we see you too. We see you too. That doggy. That's a silly dog. What do you think? Puppy, please get out of the way. Yes, you know you want to play. Yeah, we're in the middle of something. That silly old doggy. That silly old doggy. Just hoping for the spotlight, at least the middle. Oh, is somebody acting tired? She wagging his tail and face. You watching, dog? Dog, you watching me. No, Robert. Yeah, yes. You just want work, don't you? Yes. You are such a ham. You have a ham for a doggy, you know that? A sister is what she is.